Good morning, student. Today you are going to learn about the lesson number 4 in history, that is the colonialism, tribal societies, and the industries. In the previous chapter, I have explained to you the different settlements which had been adopted by the Britishers, Mahalwadi, Rayatwadi, permanent settlements, and Ijaradari system. So, student, this chapter is explaining about the tribal group. So, who were the tribes? If you understand about the tribes, so tribes were the real inhabitants of their land. They are known as the Adivasis also. The people, those who are having the remote life in accessible highlands, it means those who are living the upside highland and the desolate forest. That is their favorite places. It means the group of people of one kind of community who is very far from the mainstream of the human life, and they would like to live in the isolate in the desolate forest and in the remote, and they just want to survive like the remote life. So student, if you talk about the tribal groups, so there are the different kinds of the sources, even though there is the some scarcity of the resources available, but afterwards also we are having the different resources to know about the tribal groups. It means from the different kinds of the ballads and the folklores and other kinds of the books which are explaining about the tribal groups, like we can understand ballads and folklores only when we are explaining something to one another. So this is known as the ballads and the folklore. So this is also one of the main source to know about the tribal groups. Apart from this, there are some official documents, okay, like some petitions of individual patients. Petitions means when we are putting some kinds of the uh, writ or some kinds of the things and the applications, you can understand about the law in the court. And so apart from the ballad and the folklore, there are some other kinds of the resources also to know about them, like some individual petitions are there, some tribal records in the purpose of the administrative proceedings, or report and judgment of the inquiry commission, some kinds of gadgets. So in this way, student, or some contemporary newspapers biographies, these are the different resources to know about the tribal groups. So student, if you talk about in a country, there are the different kinds of tribal groups, like first of all Santals of the Bihar, Bengal and Jharkhand. Santals, they are known as the Santals in the Bengal, Bihar or the Jharkhand area. Kols of Bengal, Khonds of Odisha, Mundas of Jharkhand, Bhils of Central India, and Khasis of northeastern India. Khasi is the mountain hills in the where is northeastern India. You will come to know in the next topic. So these are different tribal group of India. Now, so if you know about some history of a tribal group, just I have explained to you, tribal means the people, the Adivasis, those were the original inhabitant of their land, and they like to be in a very isolate area. They don't want to interfere anyone. So what happened their life? Why they have started to revolt against the British rule? So actually this was happened because of the British company only. The British company, they didn't leave any one person in a very calm and peace life. They interfere in their life also, and where they have to pay all kinds of taxes which have imposed by the Britishers, like they have to pay the high land revenue. If they are failing such of the things, so they have to they have to leave their land also. Not only this much, they have to pay different kinds of the payment also. They have to pay the land revenue. So the Britishers were not only this much happy. What they have started to adopt, they forced many tribal to adopt saddle agriculture, as they found it difficult to monitor, because they are having the some pastoralist life. It means they have to, just I have explained to you, they were like a nomads only. So they were not settled the one permanent place. But the British forced to adopt the permanent and settled agriculture because it was beneficial for them. So the British company were not this much stopped. They have done, they started to declare the forest. And what they declare, they started to clear the forest, and they have proved it is a state property. It means where the Adivasis, the tribal group, are living very freely. as their own land. Wherever they want to go, they were going, like the jhum cultivation, shifty cultivation, we are knowing about it. Okay, so that's why they started to make the some permanent settlement. Just I explained to second point, they asked them to, it is a state property, and according to them only they will live and settle in a permanently in a one place. So that's why the tribal group, they got fed up with the British policies. Not only this much, different kinds of money lender, they also started to cheat the tribal groups, because they were taking the money, borrowing the money from them for their cultivation. Now earlier also there were some tribal earlier there were some tribal leaders, those were enjoying the free life, their power authority. Now they became the agents of British, and their survival depended upon British mercy. It means before that they were the king of their group, now they are totally depending on the British company. Now student, not this much, other also the what the exploitation they have started. Before that the tribal group were depending on their hunting, shifting, cultivation. Okay, but when the British rule started, they have to force to grow the indigo. In the last chapter also I explained you what is the indigo. Jute, tea, coffee, sugar cane, the oil seeds on a large tract of forest land of plantations. It means where they were living the life of very actively, different activities like the hunting, gathering, shifting, cultivation. Now they were forced, it means the tribal group were forced by the Britishers to grow the indigo, because I have explained to you why they were forced indigo. They were getting the great profit for the indigo. It was having the great demand in their countries. So student, in this way we can understand there were the different kinds of the exploitation of the poor tribal group by the Britishers. So that's why it has been started by the British company, and slowly the tribal groups, they got fed up with the different kinds of the exploitation by the Britishers. Okay student, and they started the revolt against them. Whatever the, even though they were not having the modern weapons, the tools like the Britishers, but at least whatever they were having, they have started to fulfill their demand, and they started to revolt the different kinds of the periods. Like according to this one, whatever the things I have explained to you, like Santhals of the Bihar, Bengal, the Mundas of Jharkhand, Bhils of, so they all tribal group, they have started to revolts again according to them in their point of view, whatever their capacity they have started. Is coming chapter, coming topic will study about them. So student, for today you have to be go through, we are learning about the different tribal group of India. Who are the tribes? I have explained to you the real inhabitants of their land, from where we are getting the knowledge about them. This also we have learned. There are different resources which are explaining about ballads, folklores, different kinds of the official documents, some contemporary newspapers, biographies, and some other commission gazettes, inquiry commissions, like this way. Afterwards, when I have explained to you why the changes occurred in the tribal society, this is because of the British company. It means the British company, they forced the poor regions for the different kinds of the activities which they were not ready earlier. They were living very free life. These all the points I have explained to you. Okay, so in this way you can also go through and understand about it, how and where and by whom the exploitation of tribal group changed, and they started to live some modern life, and some they started to revolt against the British rule. Okay student, so till then this much. Thank you, have a nice day.